Hey guys, welcome back to yet another episode of Kunal Sharma Fitness. I am your certified nutritionist Kunal Sharma and I'm back again with another nutritious video for you folks. In today's video, I'll be talking to you about a superfood, a food that is extremely healthy and extremely nutritious when it comes to diet and nutrition. So the food that I'm talking to you about today is none other than brown rice. There you have it. This is a superfood and one food that I've been consuming since almost years and years, and it's been ages since I've been consuming this product. Now this food is considered to be one of the best whole grain foods. You'd be wondering, why am I talking about whole grain foods? The previous video was about oats, which again was a whole grain food. This again is a whole grain food, but that is it. I mean, that is just about this is how diet and nutrition works. It all kind of revolves around whole grain foods. So this is the product that I'm going to review today. So let's begin with the introduction. So let me just start with the introduction of what basically brown rice is. Brown rice is a form of rice that has the hull, the bran and the germ. These three nutrients or these three components actually combine and make a food called rice. So it's got the hull, the bran and the germ. Now the hull is removed from the particle of brown rice. So hull is something that is removed from brown rice and the bran and the germ remain. Now if you compare that with white rice is also a form of brown rice. Whenever when you go to a field, when you go to a farm, the rice that is produced, each and every form of rice that's produced is brown rice. Now what happens is even white rice for that matter is brown by nature because of the processing, because of the milling process that takes place. The bran, the germ and the hull from that particular white rice particle is removed. Now because all that is removed, it's a refined process. Because these three components of that particular rice are removed, that is what separates brown rice from white rice. So white rice, again, as I've already mentioned, is a form of brown rice, but it's a refined processed form which basically converts it into a white rice particle, and all the nutrients, all the components, all the benefits of that particular grain are removed. So that is where the difference between brown rice and white rice lies. Okay, so talking about the advantages, let me just quickly take you through the advantages of this product. This product is high in magnesium, it's high in phosphorus, so all these vitamins and all these minerals, they end up impacting your body in a very positive way. It's a gluten-free product. All of you guys out there must be opting for gluten-free product, whether irrespective of you following a strict diet or not, but everyone does opt for gluten-free products. So this product is a gluten-free whole grain product. Talking about other advantages, it's a source of dietary fiber. As I've previously mentioned in my oats video as well, if any product that you're consuming is high in fiber, it's obviously going to have an impact on your metabolism. It'll increase your metabolism, it'll keep you fuller for a longer time, and that'll indirectly help you in losing weight. It's a good source of complex carbohydrates. As I said, brown rice in comparison to white rice is a source of simple carbs because it's high in glycemic index. What is glycemic index? Glycemic index is basically a score that defines the sugar content of a particular food. White rice is high in glycemic index. It reaches a score of about 89-90, when in comparison to brown rice, which has a score of about 50-51. So you can see the difference between the two. Because the glycemic index of this product of brown rice is extremely low, it does not impact your blood sugar levels. And if it does not impact your blood sugar levels, it will obviously not spike your insulin. It will not spike your insulin. And if it does not spike your insulin, you will not feel bloated. You must have noticed that whenever you consume white rice, your body tends to feel bloated, you feel lethargic, you feel lazy. A lot of you guys must be working in corporate offices, you must be having desk jobs. You must have noticed that whenever you have white rice for lunch, after a span of 5-10 minutes of consuming it, you feel sleepy. You feel lethargic and you feel like dozing off. The reason for that is because it gets absorbed in your body immediately, and it makes you feel bloated, makes you feel lethargic, and you don't want to move around. But in case you have brown rice, the calories would obviously reduce. The calories would reduce, you'd feel a lot more lighter. Even if you have a larger quantity of brown rice when in comparison to white rice, you'd still feel light, you'd still feel a little empty stomach, and feel that you still have some portion of food still to go in. So that is how this product helps. Talking about, as I've already mentioned, it's gluten-free, it's a source of dietary fiber, it's a source of B7 vitamin as well. So all these vitamins, all these minerals, they do have a very positive impact on your body. Antioxidants, it's high in antioxidants as well. So if it's high in antioxidants, what it'll basically do is that it'll improve your immune system. It'll not let you fall sick that easily. So I would want you guys to incorporate this product in your diet, just as if I've already recommended oats, because oats again is oats and brown rice both are best sources of complex carbohydrates. High in starch, high in fiber, helps in weight loss, reduces your weight, keeps your blood sugar level in check. It reduces your cholesterol level. So in case you're diabetic, in case you've got heart problems, then this product is what you need in your diet. Now, as you guys must have noticed from my past videos as well, I've been giving you products, I've been giving you information about products in my product review series, which are very basic in nature. Foods that are readily available in almost every other household kitchen. So and also foods that I have been consuming since a very long time. I will not recommend any product to you that I do not put inside my body. In case there's a product that does not go, any food that does not go into my body, I will certainly not make a video on it. I will certainly not recommend any such food to you guys as well. Because I've been consuming brown rice since a very long time, it's been ages, it's been 10 odd years since I've been consuming this, and I've completely eliminated white rice from my diet. I do not consume white rice, and I'm bloody honest with that. I've been consuming brown rice since a very long time, and that is why I understand the benefits, I understand the nutrient value of this product, and which is why I am recommending you this product. Talking about the side effects of this product, then I don't really see any, because it's, again, if you compare this with oats, I think it falls under the same category. It's a good source of complex carbohydrate. It'll keep your weight in check. As I've already mentioned, the advantages are way too many. I really don't see any reason why you should not introduce this product in your diet. In case you're opting for a keto diet, I'll make a separate video on what keto diet is also about. If you've completely eliminated carbs from your diet for a particular phase or for a particular period, if that's what your goal is, if you're trying to reduce weight, if you're trying to completely cut carbs off your diet, then there's no point using this product. But in general terms, if you wish to live a healthy lifestyle, if you wish to have a healthy and fit lifestyle, then this is something that you need to introduce in your diet. Right then, this was my short little video on brown rice. This was my product review for the day. I hope you guys have liked this video. Brand, if I talk about the brand, then brand really does not matter. You could go for openly available brown rice. You could go for branded ones like India Gate or Dawat. The one that I have right now is India Gate. I guess this was the one that was available currently at the store, so which is why I opted for this one. Otherwise, I've been using Dawat as well. Cost, might be, in fact it is slightly costlier than white rice, so you'll have to make a separate budget for this product. But if you're able to manage this product in your diet, in your budget, if you're able to fit it in your budget, then I'd be extremely happy about it, because it's got immense benefits. So the cost that you pay for brown rice and the benefits that you get in return are it's a very good deal. I'd like to believe so. So again, I would want you guys to incorporate this product in your diet, and I hope you guys have liked this video. I'll make a separate video on a comparison between white rice and brown rice. That'll be a separate topic, but I'll make a separate video on that. Before I leave, I just put the content information. I just put the caloric value of this product. I'll just put it here. You can see the ingredient value of brown rice in comparison to white rice, but I'll make a separate video, a detailed video on what is the difference between white rice and brown rice. So you can just refer to the caloric information of brown rice right here. Alright then, thank you so much. This was my little intake, my little insight on brown rice. I hope you guys liked it. As always, I would request you guys to follow my channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Just opened it recently, you must have noticed. So subscribe, follow, like and share. And don't forget to stay healthy and stay fit. God bless.